Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best dash cams. I've done my research and this list reflects my personal opinion. I've ranked these products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an entry-level option or the best dash cam money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products are listed from worst to best, so stick around until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the dash cams in this video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We'll pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best dash cams on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Suvicon dash cam front and rear inside. This dash cam offers a basic setup with front, rear, and interior recording, which sounds promising for the budget-conscious buyer. It records in 1080p for the front and 720p for the rear and interior, which is decent, but hardly groundbreaking. The build quality feels a bit flimsy, with some users reporting issues with the suction mount losing grip over time. At around $70 to $80, it's one of the cheapest options on this list, but you get what you pay for. The night vision is underwhelming, and there's no Wi-Fi or advanced features like GPS. It's an entry-level choice for someone who just needs the bare minimum, but durability concerns and lackluster video clarity keep it at the bottom of our ranking. If you're pinching pennies and don't mind the compromises, it might still work for you, though there are better options ahead. Number 9, the Overman K 600 4K dash cam front and rear. This one steps up with 4K resolution for the front camera, which is impressive on paper, and a 1080p rear camera. Priced around $100, it's a solid mid-range contender. The video quality is sharp during the day, especially for the front, but the rear camera struggles in low-light conditions, which is a letdown for a dual setup. It includes a 2.0-inch screen and loop recording, but there's no interior camera, so it's not a full 360-degree solution like some others here. The build is sturdy enough, though some users have noted the adhesive mount isn't as reliable as a suction cup over long periods. It's a good pick for someone focused on front-facing footage, but the lack of comprehensive coverage and inconsistent rear performance drop it to number 9. Coming at number 8 is the Red Tiger dash cam front rear. This dual dash cam offers 4K front recording and 1080p for the rear, making it another strong contender in the resolution department. It's priced around $120 to $140, which is reasonable for the specs. The Starvis sensor helps with night vision, and it performs better than the Overman in darker conditions. You also get Wi-Fi for easy file transfers and a 3.16-inch display, which is a nice touch. However, it's limited to just front and rear coverage, no interior or side views, so it's not as versatile as the 4-channel options. Durability is decent, but some reviews mention overheating issues after prolonged use. It's a reliable choice for basic dual recording, but it doesn't stand out enough to climb higher on the list. Coming at number 7 is the AZDome 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam. Now we're getting into the 4-channel territory, with front, rear, and dual interior cameras offering a full 360-degree view. It records everything in 1080p, which is solid but not as crisp as some higher-end models. Priced around $150, it's a good value for the coverage. The build feels durable and it includes night vision and loop recording. However, the video quality can get grainy in low light, and the app for managing footage is a bit clunky. Installation is straightforward, but managing 4 cameras can be a hassle if you're not tech-savvy. It's a great option for someone who wants all-around protection on a budget, but it lacks the polish and extra features of the top-tier picks. Number 6, the Hoopahos 360 dash cam front and rear inside, 4-channel dash camera for cars. This one's a bit of a mouthful, but it delivers a similar 4-channel setup to the AZDome, with front, rear, and 2 interior cameras, all in 1080p. It's priced slightly higher, around $160 to $180, and adds Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control, which give it an edge. The daytime footage is clear, and the night vision is a step up from the AZDome, thanks to better sensors. The build quality is robust, though the suction mount could be more secure over time. The downside? The front camera maxes out at 2K in some modes, which is nice, but it doesn't fully utilize 4K potential like others. It's a well-rounded choice for someone who wants versatility without breaking the bank, landing it solidly in the middle of our list. Coming in at number 5 is the vezo 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. This dash cam brings 4 lenses, front, rear, left, and right, all recording in 1080p simultaneously. Priced around $170 to $190, it's a strong mid-tier option. The 360-degree coverage is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone paranoid about blind spots. Video quality is sharp in daylight, and the night vision holds up decently with IR support for the interior. The build is solid, and it includes a 64 GB SD card, which is a nice bonus. However, some users report firmware glitches, and the interface isn't the most intuitive. It's a reliable performer with great coverage, but minor quirks keep it from the top spots. If you're planning a road trip and want peace of mind, this could be your pick. Did you catch that hidden word? Coming at number 4 is the vezo 360 degrees dash, cam front and rear inside, 4-channel. Another 4-channel contender. This one offers front, rear, and dual interior cameras, all in 1080p, with a front camera that can hit 2K. It's priced around $180 to $200, making it a bit pricier but worth it for the upgrades. The video quality is excellent, with solid night vision thanks to enhanced sensors. It's got Wi-Fi and a user-friendly app, which makes it easier to manage than some competitors. The build feels premium and durability isn't a concern here. The only drawback is the lack of 4K across all channels, which holds it back from the elite. It's a fantastic balance of price and performance, ideal for anyone seeking comprehensive coverage with a bit of polish. Number 3 is the vezo N4 3-channel dash cam. This one ditches the 4-channel trend for a 3-channel setup, front, rear, and interior, with resolutions of 1440p front, 1080p rear, and 1080p inside. Priced around $200 to $220, it's a premium pick. The video quality is outstanding, especially with the Starvis sensor boosting night vision. It's built like a tank, with users praising its durability even in extreme heat. You get GPS, parking mode, and a capacitor instead of a battery for longevity. The downside? No side coverage, so it's not a true 360-degree solution. Still, its reliability and clarity make it a favorite for those who prioritize quality over quantity in channels. Coming at number 2 is the Rove R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear Starvis 2 sensor. This dual dash cam offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording, priced around $150 to $170. The Starvis 2 sensor delivers exceptional night vision, and the daytime footage is crystal clear. It includes Wi-Fi, GPS, and a sleek 3-inch display. The build is top-notch, with a sturdy design that holds up over time. It lacks interior or side cameras, but for a dual setup, it's hard to beat. The value here is incredible. High-end features at a mid-range price. If you don't need 360-degree coverage, this is one of the best dash cams you can buy. Number 1, the vezo N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360 degrees all-sides dash cam. Topping our list, this beast offers 4 lenses, front at 2.7K, rear at 1080p, and 2 interior cameras at 1080p, covering every angle with no blind spots. Priced around $250 to $300, it's the priciest here, but you're paying for excellence. The Starvis 2 sensor ensures stunning night vision, and the wide-angle lenses, up to 165 degrees, capture everything. Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and a durable build make it a complete package. It's easy to install, and the app is slick. Whether you're a professional driver or just want the best, the vezo N5 delivers unmatched quality and peace of mind. It's our top pick for a reason. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best dash cams. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what your favorite one is. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.